In this video, we will complete the construction of an adenine molecular model in Sketchup. And here's what we had last time. Let's clean up the workspace. Go over here and get rid of that with the delete key. And then we'll get rid of these guides. And this image has served its function, so we'll get it out of the way. Makes it a little less cluttered. And you can see right here, I missed something. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it must be carbon because carbon wants 4 bonds. Where did that come from? Let's see. Copy, paste. There we go. So here we are. And what we need to do now is connect all of these items. And in the past, what we've been doing is zooming in and out on the triplanes to connect the center points in X-ray mode. And that works fine for smaller molecules, but for larger molecules, there's a way which I think is a little bit faster. It's a tip or maybe even a trick in SketchUp that I've learned, and I call it the flagpole method. And here's our little flagpole right here. It's not much. It's just a little group, and I'm going to copy it into the clipboard. And now over here I have a triplane, and it's in a little blue box. So is it a group or a component? Well, we can check the menu, the edit menu, and there at the bottom it says a component. So we'll click edit component. Now we're inside the box that contains the triplane, and I will paste the flagpole from outside. Then let's close this component. And the thing about components is you change one and you change them all. They're kind of like clones, whereas groups are individualistic despite their name, ironically. So what does that do for us? Well, let's see. Go over here. I'll click on that, and now I want to connect this carbon to this hydrogen bond. And I did it almost as fast as I could say it. So that's a lot faster than using the triplane center points. And let's see if we can do that again. We will click there. Boom, we're in. Okay, well, that seems to work. So how about if we try just using the move tool? Yeah. So so long as I'm using the move tool from one action to the next, it seems to understand what I want it to do. Yeah. And sometimes you have to inspect the flagpoles to make sure that everything is aligned. That looks a little off, but I'm going to go with it for now. Let's see, gotta go back to the move tool. And then we go up here. Are we okay there? Yeah, I guess you do have to inspect it and make sure. It's not foolproof, but it does tend to work. And if you're getting bored, you can skip to the end of the video. But I'm almost done. That one seems to be having a little trouble, so we'll zoom in. Then zoom out so we can get a good inference on it. Sometimes you have to move things away from other things in order for SketchUp to get a good inference. There we go. And that looks like we did it. So there is our completed adenine molecule, nine as in seen, and now the task is to get rid of all those little flagpoles. And instead of going back to the triplane that's standing alone there, let's double click on this double bond component, then double click on the triplane component, hit the delete key to make the flagpole group disappear, and instead of using the menu, I'll just click on empty space, and that gets us out of the boxes. So there is our adenine molecule in Google SketchUp.